All right, now Tesla's got to do something. You know, they had promised an even cheaper vehicle than the Model 3, and we talked somewhat recently about Tesla exploring the idea of having a local designer in China create a car for that market at a different price point and for that particular clientele, which could then make its way to the rest of the world. Here we have an artist's rendering of what could be the Tesla Model 2. And, of course, this would be the cheapest model. They're suggesting $25,000, looking like a little hatchback. Keep in mind, this is just an artist rendering. It doesn't necessarily have to look this aggressive. But my question for you, Willie Doo, is the same one that Electrek posed to me when I read this morning, which is dope or nope?
I think it's dope.
Hey, man.
I think it looks really mean.
Yes.
And aggressive.
I agree.
Which is pretty nice. The name, though, Model 2. It doesn't fit the whole, sexy. You know what I mean?
Oh, you don't think they can keep that going, though? The Cybertruck already broke that.
Yeah. Well, Cybertruck was kind of like, I don't know.
What about Roadster? When they eventually do that, that's not going to do it either.
Yeah.
I think they got to give that meme up. I mean, maybe not. I know Elon is the meme lord, but
yeah, I don't know.
You don't like Model 2?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
But what do you think?
Well, about the name, I was talking more just strictly the design.
The design.
Which I also think this concept is pretty good looking for a hatchback. And now, some of the comments down here are suggesting that it couldn't look this mean because the aerodynamics and such. It probably couldn't have quite the sharpness to it. So it could be like a toned down version, particularly if it's not the performance model. But you can see the similarity with the wheels to the Model 3 and the black trim components. And what's interesting here was something that might look good on other Teslas, the black line going into the roof there. Above the sort of window frame.
It's like two-tone.
Top edge. Yeah, two-tone look to it is kind of cool. So anyway, the speculation is we can see something like this, possibly for China first and then maybe elsewhere after or everywhere at the same time. But I know a lot of people who'd be interested in a $25,000 Tesla. I'll tell you that right now.